the Rainforest Gallery. There is a gallery walk. There are beautiful walkways in this jungle. If you like, you can walk inside the jungle. But because of the rain and there is rain about to come, I decided not to walk in the walkways. I'm just looking around from this viewpoint. This is the walkway. You can check the beauty of jungle. It's really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Now I decided to walk the Rainforest Gallery. That is about 20-minute walk. So let's walk with me in jungle. I was on this walkway. Now I am going down in the jungle. Let's walk with me and check how trees look like in the jungle. I am walking on the platform that is about 15 meters above the forest floor. National Park. Check beauty of jungle. I will show the map so you can reach this beautiful area easily, and more information regarding this video and this location in the description box. And if you have any question, you can ask with me in comments. And please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. And this Yarra Valley is about 1.5 hour drive from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. There are some trees that are almost 500 to 600 years old and maybe more. This is the map, so you can check it first properly. Then you start your journey because there is no internet signals over there. So it's better to read it properly. This is the rainforest walk that I did, and I hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, subscribe and share so more people can get involved and enjoy this beautiful video. And if they want to come here, they do know where they have to go and enjoy this sceneries. And there is a subscribe button at the bottom side. Just press that button so you can get my informative videos easily. And there are more informative videos are going to come soon. Thank you.